The founder and chairman governing council, Maryam Abacha, American University of Nigeria, Professor Adamu Abubakar Gwarzo, has facilitated with Muslim Ummah on the occasion of this year's Maulud celebration. Professor Gwarzo urged the Muslims to emulate the remarkable character and virtues of the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ, as it's the best way Muslims could celebrate his birthday. So on behalf of the governing council of MAAUN Nigeria, I wish to congratulate Muslims in Nigeria and other parts of the world on the occasion of Maulud celebration. He therefore urged Muslims and all the Nigerians to use this occasion to pray for peace and progress and the development of the country. I congratulate the Muslim community in Kano and across the world on the celebration of this year's Maulud. As we commemorate the birth of the Holy Prophet ﷺ, I urge Muslims to emulate the virtues of the Prophet, as this is the best way we can celebrate him. He called on Nigerians, irrespective of religious and political inclinations, to love one another so as to ensure peace and unity in the country. He also called on Muslims and all Nigerians to use the occasion to pray for peace and progress of the country.